Gary ni mako ene would to me lawyer Andy appear could be more neck like I said obi asese no yonko kon enra me tie Gary ni mako also on their blocking and the appear could be on friend biem and the appear could be so say what blocking me am promise person no be kasa biem ni nyina ye say bail condition 50 million Ghana cedis say they to want to meet you so and the appear could be a struggle ya and a bresi bra champion bem area chess no Brian Kra and the coffee the bem the presidential ambition or push your manity ya say want to make case bail condition as another story NPP mama mo ama say see I same baby na and the appear could be a making statement we say the amount bail condition no chair ye Gary Mako legal process or koye ya wa mo na mane Gary say you want to make a short ya bulichiri to no na or no Gary no command so wonje enti I say e se no be kika bomu chase bebre say another fights e wo mo ankasa ho but the long and short they say the champion e de Japan dia kosi awo wa e so 50 million cedis na ya mane pay
yo me da say and the man brand a champion mechan anofei oyobi a ni yemuye me penase me makase me ni NPP mu biom eso almost started omo yinu na so waka ho baby a metre bia me campaign am
oh okay
me kasa because minim ne waya mame ni yemuye enti nyankopon enhira no onim se oba ye minister at the national security ne kola no mu office ho oni omu ye adwuma na no be 7 or so omu bia ni ho aban tuaneka ono ana na tu omuka ono ankasa etena ho no mu no se yesi wo allowance we ni na eka ho anye bi eti wo ye obi a me penasem ye pa obi aso nim se wo de no ho anse wo ba ban o potrasa ko adan akesi o be ya ni o enti trasa ko dan ba ko ye de siso a obetimi
upgrade
aha good na wo hwe ye ko so
na nye formal Afenyo Markin o kwatena ye na eso
oh one dey on nkapu on dey nkapu o ko kwatena for man why then
solidarity
naga ombe ko solidarity is our manjo
oh god
kombe ko solidarity is our badge so dey there I know we got transform na ye den enkaku na you see on say aban papa wo ho a eya na boa eya na ye MPP tambu tima kwa kwatra wono na boys ya na ye wo boys ade ye see ni ade na wonam ho free obi anche obi anye wo hwe so ne je no mahama akire se chese wanyi e wo politics no answer na police for ebetu anamobi no na chese wo instructions be from the top wa hu ne je no that's here jawo mo amount for years or more demonstration ko Jubilee House now the groom and Akufo Addo now the groom one who is here you can't say occupy Ghana omanye a year anko Jubilee House under Mahama the next year Akufo Addo ho amount for so mo ko yi no so who is here ye brimu grofo any ade Mahama samba biom omuzo obu ye demonstration omu de Kojo Kyeremanteng omu kwan omuzo ombe gina ho no ma kwakosi midnight ebo 8 na ho nyina ye hwe yes mo nyina ho
ebo tro fada mo
zo ne je na wodim ne eba NPP party no so edo hom proproye do mu hu no
to kwa na esio
me say what the market NPP current NPP ebu betchese to one day another group will exit NPP and then form another political party. Right today's data, obi a wo hwe bibi a wo de troto no. Bia gugugui. Look, obi ehun aka ya frɛ no, ya detain no. Okay, munye say na adentina sa ayi no nko ano ebe da ne politics. Kennedy Agyapong ko ho apesi akwana ko mumia su yanko yes oh Bawumia ede oh wa arrangement be conditions no oh bibia you okay okodru ha e wani say
Asante Bawumia ko no wo kra fa na commander wa twa ma adwa sisi o se Bawumia ko wo se kokko beni no
wetimi
ambe
wo se wa hu ni ndi no
wo se hu na be hu no na
wo se hu no
na se be beni na na se ko ha no
so de here wo se hu na go beli no wa hu ni ndi no ade wo de beli go bi ende kai ka so de tie no look ya enyese NPP for the Munis company beli no Owusu hey how did you get this property to Owusu but you won't go for like said in America no Champon look obi a wunim okay whatever make
Champon they all can ask me nya me ya because brand ye nyina ye nim say atamel cinema ni yeska
that's right
or no Senti na dana me catch us. We are teacher ni utu ya bra Champon ka. We are soldier ni utu ya ka. You can the system na controller di fia ka.
Sir.
It is a brand was ka me enya me nwanwa.
Sir.
But so a chrono kwan so ade benya ska dey sa akofo so ni bo mo. Ana me bo.
Only dey said any
o. Na no me any na one scale na fe all of a sudden what to down by 20. Hey.
Me kai say obi ko ana omo man omo prescribe malaria drug ana paracetamol eka ho eno di na be 3 no nyes kanto anso ne o mansions be ni o ho the same person so ne tie no aha etu ba bisa ho se look yen ka se o ma obi nya no
oh yes at least if you know ba ko mie no
say
you know but bumo de ade
wo ya adwuma na etuaka be say krom ha apart from ebia governor of Bank of Ghana ne Cocoa board impedinfo ya o marketua no e wo soro no minister waketua ise
wanya hibia
se oka 8 years ni nyina waketua nyina bomu a bisa ho se obetuma sisa dan nana untimi nsi eti etoda yandwene oman no ho kane so ho ne tie no se oman no nkoso na emre bia na me ka se the difference between Broni and Bibini. And they say Broni, maybe na Broni biche. Baby amite ya. Broni no epese ojadi. Woje Bibini aka se ono ene ye. Broni emfa adwene enkwa aban mu se me kwa kope me ho. So on ye no. Yes, obeja ketua kwaja bibani ade a obehwe but on konko ye ne sene bibifo ye no. Bibini kwa abaimu a okopeska enye din no okope. I don't know the difference. That girl Kroma say na president the contract amaneba. Say what that surprise ambulance spare pass. How on earth? How? And he said, "Wo pese wo ba ne yesa kra." At least yemfra ho ntuma. Anamibwa. Me say, what dia fra huntuma? Say, Hopeson company, won dia mami. Me ho amejiska na ebia oba na ejimu 2 tests. What dia je no? Now clearly. Now I mean, tese me dwuru ho amentiase. Eti won to me issue ya bai. Say politics na start wo ho no. Hey, ade get ready o. Get ready. Me at least me so that you hu nipa ye kwakofa no the next one. Ya reason to me. Oh, ya ma ye ho be a week 2. Me dim nipa obeko obeto aso akọ. Hey, ade so that dey abu betwe o.
O matena for match o.
Mo betena che papa over because e beto ato aso sa. Et get ready. Mo beta bonti so ache. Because adenti na sisi ye tena ho na ye hwe den hwe. Say wo hwe me a ho wo ye Ghana ni wo hwe me woti o adenti ni achi ntumi ago adenti ni achi ntumi ago tum look listen woti fie da ben na won't be ba ofie ano say the 100 cedis never to bisa ho sa number 2 sika na nka wo ho ye o man ni sika anke beti ba mo anya bi ese 10,000 20,000 how the be share wo dwuma nketenkete bi ase no bisa se unya ya na wanya wontumi koye yesi 10 million ni atam ne de amano ye de man no o ama obi onu ankasa de na de ko another issues bi a ebeba out a eyesikasem wa ama obi adi enti no se aban ehun se biama sei ankoso eti wache na utifie kasa for day se sika no ebianke ka se obi a ohia loan bra ebianka wonya bi eso ba akofo akwakoji nti no wanya bi na wo si den mo pese oman no kɔ nanim obi aye bibia enya ye fi se sika a woje ye no aye nsisie e de ama oman Ghana ne e chi no na wo tifie na wo ka ho asɛm a na bayie na ye wa na se den bayie na ye wa na se den wo pese nsuo flow e wo pipe mu wo pese wo light ejina so amanfo afesika Ghana ban susu se sika na omo fa ye na enye papa etie nti omo ne antwetwam ne angie sika so kokodom omo kokodom na wo tifie na wo se wo nti ase a na bayie na ye wo na bayie na ye wo ene enkola what is complain about say enkola omo ko school a omo nya aduane papa ni bio what aban no ye nyoma bi ohia sika a wo de beye etie sramo mo ma ye nyina ye support aban say se me adama kwakobo Ghana krono a ye fa mi nkohyem
aye fa sika mai
na o mu di sika no what you say hwe me say menim say agrofo attorney general ni team ne security agency to no ba won so ma ye adwuma pa o ma ye adwuma papa some crofo no bebre o ma ti ma identify some of the properties wo mo a menim say aban beje no waton edisika no e de ama aban back say e ba ni say next time so nya sa opportunity ni bi mu a one tempt say okwapo di sa nsemu so on yete no crofo etimi kokoto to adan ewa abrochire di mo girlfriends girlfriends eti so akoto da wa abrochire di amani girlfriend na dem bisa hu se wono ankasa so
ahe na owo
na ehwo na wakoto sa adan no ana wo to wo Ghana ha se grad akase o mu konkotinam me hia na mababeje muntua rent ana ko biti mu a ndigamo o my Ghana dia ti honum na fe usodi panuma na say ade na ban chichin crofo ni ade then don't complain would like to come offer men kasa whoso ma men kasa say what point to don't talk so person aban ye kwan wo ye light wo man so emba then support aban to arrest these people and retrieve our monies so one support to aban si enchichi wo mo enji ye sika ni emfa nyo man no ho adwuma dia problem bia wo bu bia no keep quiet. Don't mention aban. Wakwa first card way. Etimedie. The me can say NPP. The way I chance here. They say before 2028 party no be just say to ba ko ko di ha. Na ba ko di ha. Check it. Richie Jama or Wabruchi Mechiano. Or Kasembi. What's it? Akufo Addo. The way I wo ya nuameya wo impose Bawumia. Party no be gu abo so. Wo yesa interview no city FM. Na papa ne tie na ne ya part aye no kre. An wo kan no. So hu say dey say ko no. Me say bu bedwa say to.
All right.
NPP president a obebe di eso a NPP entimi ama ban mu biem say di papa fa
di bona so a
wow dia
Richard
enra na Bawumia Campaign wotimi ko satisfy bill conditioner yele to say emfa yi chama untumi me dey almost start here na minority or parliament omuni sheda ni business bia yintino more content form were you economic. I said they were behaving hypocritical. Now hypocrisy no more no say say hypocrisy as a member of parliament. Unim say yuku etchubia unim kwan faso yetimi bill edi money pakro no na o science ha nyama no ho nyina na waanye na kokotena form na free party for say mumra ne nyina kokotena form ne kanche Ghana for say yachicha ma un yachi untumi na wambo ne ka kire minority form po say chama untumi ana yachi no na ye Ghana for bia even NPP for cramp na nyom ya eye kakra bi even members of parliament are NPP for mko okra no o man kwose o mko akwachi chama untumi o mko akọ beli no
many NPP din komo say ya o mko do wan ko bia na enye ntine o say
that is it as one person min kanu no o mu feel say o man kwa e be ka say na wan ko bi yes ne so mko nyina o show bi practice Afenyo Markin na nanti ano nanti ne de o ye nyina to say it was concert na woyi o hwe ne nante no watwe ne tai na utumu se na anya se bia mo pese o mo kwachi bill mfama no no mo pese o nhyemu nche inter na o mo yi aniama be prolonging ni stay e wo honom na hwe se o mo koye o ma insanti manka no ade che o mo ba biom o ma biom e no mo ja no e na Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia former na me real wo se me hu Bawumia wo se o kwa kope bill ama untumi into party ni nas woye na mabone na senya na so sheche na supporto enti galamsey ya wontumi etutu this shensuo e wo western region wo nyina no nti Bawumia because of say wontumi ya NPP ni ntino Bawumia pesa o pesa sa na man enkoso enti say Bawumia pesa on kan kire say omo tutu galamsey wo Ghana ri shensuo ene ya forest ni nyina no esan say omo ye NPP fo ntino Bawumia pe sana adia Bawumia pese on kan kire no na kanya sa nke ba na se wuntumi akodi bone akotutu galamsey won suomu ane forest reserve ma woni nkrata se won ko no na se mrachina na wo former flag bearer of a political party na wa ko honom se okope bila ma no anka tenafie na so ankra no monkoi you should buy his head to shame. Apart from that and now I say Bra Champon wakwako yi untumi I mean me and this need the when put their family home bay ka me nkwa ka untumi kwako da so shem because unim say ne niam wo ye niam bone a wo ye no and obi be wo na ne ma ne nsa no SS Ghana water for na the research Ghana health service na the research na bae ye be wo obi na ne tie mienu ukọ western region wa ewo asma meken enyam na mbeka yo kore Ghana health service na the report no bae chama untumi na di mercury ekotu galamsey won nsuo amanfo nom na chama untumi di mercury ekogum etutu gold no ja nsuo ayi no wom saa na amanfo sanom omonyema na ebi nyinsan asai ebu on my ba wono na ne na ba akopɛ chama untumi ndi nipa we se mrache na de na kɔche yuoko kukuma na obon pa se ompie o pia san kwa kotu okotu a osa de mercury bagum ukasanse no ma what say was account and the baby say China said this man why do you have to pray that he should come back now so many say mra Ghana say enti ye de mra na ye den ye de ye nyina na omoma kwa na investigation but enye den enkoso say mra no omo va no ko mo they shouldn't have any mercy me mpese meka say no obi na ba kroma be pa chaw e de ma chama untumi ansa na eyi no say you feel say chama untumi wa na mabone a mra no enunu enye den endi me enko yes we NPP party chairman na ordinary Ghanaian no ya fa na say liberal worker no galamsey side ye china na ye sana siguo ne de ngia mra no na China for ka na ejom no mo kodabi we are serious about mining issues enti chama untumi nema o ye no emra no eni ndi squarely na me the NPP for mo ko send pa kokoji bail or the property or sika kokoji bail man dey o mo asem o mo na ebo on chendi no mo chedi Ghana for sika Akufo Addo tie chire ko sign bail yi mra show bia say menko forest menko to go president Akufo Addo go sam mra no yi zari in free no ka say menko forest menko to good nti na say ankofo no these are the people supporting Chairman to me. Also President Mahama, what making the dualization of Kumasi to Accra Road. These are some of the things we need the money for. $58 million, I say, Ken Ofori-Atta Aremeyaw de kutuamna e Accra Rechi. Yeah, the $58 million to Kumasi to Accra Road so. Only baby double road na kusi. And see, every Ghanaian, whether you are an NPP, whether you belong to movement for change, like my senior brother here, and also you belong to a New Patriotic Party or CPP or PNC. Say Sikaya and Kofo we every. They said the honorable member kind. Was he keep quiet? Not allow the current government to go after those people and get the money for us. Because Sikaya Kofo when they are babu mine. The money is in their pocket. And before we are gonna seek a papa. More bien come the agro and yes, I bet say yes, surround my chain driver better. Yes, every Ghanaian they should take this matter serious. Wow, chase be defending who's can to me or much sense Kennedy Agyapong. Okwa mika se kwa ya koko and pe kwa dibi. Yes, kwa demonstration now the chiri. Proba bitina Ken Ofori-Atta so ho akwa we sisira pa. Matisa said in the docket no. Yoko Fuaje. I'm so much happy about this. Sisila Rapa, Nipa Dasani, ye ma contract $41 million. Ye fan cleaning or door river, ye fan ye tourist, e was what. Ye di contract no buyer, who could see soon back pe, and no one no, in can for basic Kabashimene, no, and what this is canon. A question in passe. Nanka, Planto with this canon war, Krampo first can be Nanka, because can I ya? Sisila Rapa, Ben was yeah.
Almost started saving 25 years ago.
And you was saving one name passing. And was $7. Some of us can train. And what Tenassi among chronic just getting well, she until last hour. And just $41 million in B. Omuko investigated Sisiala. Meaning say Yoko will never joke on this matter. Apart from that, Edubwa in case Ghana for any ditch. Yes, shame Edubwa. You should be a case in the far. What is Alice be by? I say. What it is can be mass and political parties in Yamano. As a case in who may be a case in them. We are following the case day by day. We remember the news about that particular case. Said they should make sure, say, a good one in case, you know. Say, as I say, Uncle Jail, our son Uncle Jail. Say, why someone I am funny better to focus on different person. Because case in a dozen. Bonnie and people 40 years, a dozen. Enti Afenyo agro akwan contractor mama ya amanfo anye Chairman to me onu kwa akwaje be 47 contract to go and construct road one person because we NPP Asante regional chairman ti wa anya sa akwan nyina enti cases na doso we should be serious about all of these cases. Now I am certain say amanfo be dem in the few months to come. Now obi send me message was it Ken Ofori-Atta chi e be che no me en chi onu kwa yanchi na yiren ka ho in fact ni fi akoko yanchi na ka ho ya chi no so a ne kraman yanchi no yanchi ne kraman ka ho na yanchi ne watch mine na Afenyo ne Ghana card no so yanchi mfa ka ho as message obi asene e dey ama me anopai say ya chi ne tese ya chi ne bibia ne agi ne bibia e dey finish Ninkama nyina de omu kojela yefo omu nyina kan ne fo nyina ne ninkama ne kokko nyina.
I agree with that person because yes. Bawumia say Ghana card no interchange Sammy bear 5 interchanges 1 Ghana card and the message ni nie ya anya say bia ya tie hwe anya say bia na hwe anya message ni ni it's not enough to put Ken Ofori-Atta alone in jail and his wife case maid servants watchman and dogs as well. Even that's not enough and his
Ghana, I'm telling you people are happy say this government is doing all this kind of prosecution.
Almost in 2028 power no ya chimwa 1 million Ghana cedis Petro ever from Petro ever from we. Now so mo bana mo ndisi for ya chemwa.
ahoto eba kromi Ghana for be a TV say me catch us and say the ballot box got to one man NPP ain't not 20% because when empire pa say nema ototo nyina na tete so na so kwa akoto aba the NPP aba na sa na wan yapagam dia akosoro ene say wa ogigirigi
all right
ya chicha ma untumi osose ne hwan eno Justin Kwadua I was so disappointed in him say ye chama untumi no but granting interview na kanya sasem a oh me some of these voices may have a platform on farm because it doesn't make sense to me. But yeah, granting interview me here. You better trend this for say you were a lawyer for NPP mo. One kasakwa asam na woka no odwene ho asa na woka. You claim someone wa lawyer for amunimade and mo lawyer for na ntimi antumu for anka kira mo say ye ma obi bail na bail no condition anasa bibi da ho a ye kware say ye be meet bail condition no yankotena fom. Ye nkoye dede mudede na mukwaye ya ne form na mukotena ye no se na timi solve problem na ka mukotena form ye dede no can solve problem. And let me tell you something, no matter the noise that you people make where you get to talk no voice, the law is the law and you simple mumu wa ba mu a emra nya adwuma mukotena opposition apa and I was emra ya adwuma and I afraid the rule of law. Afraid ya more rule of law. Here Ghana for adebia to the bia. Obi beka say adana ya to the bia asa with the NPP fatu me form to bia. But omone ya no irritates me. Omone ya no omusubai no is so irritating a share before. Because Akufo opposition any 1 year, even 6 months but you see how they are behaving. You see the noise that they are making. As if Sakurani Daniel Butueni. And these people are hypocrites because and then time I want to make one NPP near Yachano. Why are they making noise? Last week I make a say and Kwafobe one NPP more Yachi or more Yamo mobile. Other NPP found quatena form. Other than Afenyo Markin. Anyway, more Oman quatena form. Now we will show them that we have lawyers. Lawyers are not born. Before money lawyers, so they have talkatives. They have talkatives. Or money lawyers who take. Nana be na lawyer, another one lawyer no. And I'm who can say kwatro you know say one ye wo suban wo kasa ane niama wo ye na ba me ya wo sampire lawyer ni na wo kosko na kope no kotena ba ho na wo suban na wo ne ye nkyere obi ya lawyer wo se me wo ye lawyer and the appear could be better say or be a chama to me where the hikurano na kuma joy that is nyansa wisdom. This is a professional lawyer that is speaking. Mo nyansa ni bi awa NPP muni bi a obeka se bia na muni na your problem. Ana gari ni mako beg and no ani and the appear could be in kasabiam and we are blocking na me say hey wo nyansa ni ba ko obeka party mu na o ka no kore no Obia paso achasa and yapia could be a some no cano. Chasa all suppose you want to pass one betie kura. And yapia could be say. Yachi will be near money pano bail conditioner. You make sure say you meet the bail condition, that's all. And you do. And anya abua mobe to na mutiya papa mo. COP this Christian Tatayo no COP IGP mutiye pa mutiye na ye mrebi IGP ana minimu na aka so hia ye be hwe agu so a any pepper spray ye de be gu so no munya kwa ye sa unlawful gathering wo ho mo already ba bia no akwa gada no unlawful gathering obi amfra mo ho munya ho etambo e de block kwan sa Ghana ni a o twama kwa ne baabi no mo block kwan ade a checha ba wutumi who is Chama wutumi who is he abro hwan so Ghana ha. Wow, this is the reason why our politicians will continue to look down on you. Who bunisa ono de any kwansa bibia ya no. Who politicians say any some mrani ni di. Who nia ba man na sa o fa se no tie kura na se hona. Ekwam de na wakwacho obi board ye no. Ono de osofata se ye de ne kwamra anim. Anya na obi wi ade na se ye de nipa ne kwakwoto a. Mu kwaye de ho. Dabia ye di asam kwakwoto. It is yasi apasa mra ye adwuma. And ade se mra na mo se anya adwuma ne ya form abekwa akotena ene de da mo be ye ene demonstration da bia mo sori anopa mo kotena because every day cases go so eti mo koye de mfan time one mo ya from mo court na chi na mo catch am say in solidarity ye betena from mama mo. What nonsense is this? Mo ye de fit last week is just a me dwene wa me ntiase. And you see Akufo and ntro NPP and lies. Just said me won hawa but omo ya yonkufuo bi a omo didi bom they are besties. NPP and lies they are besties. So what here NPP ni na wa nya smart wa hu. Obe packaging ntro na no kore aye pepe. One way you fall for it. Me won tatas na ache. Me won sa tatas no ache. Adan ye Charles Bisu na no me bisamo mo ankotena fom such as Bisu so MPP ni enye the same galamsey issues aye dey chicha ma won to me wo CID any other cases Agyarko any NIB for their friend no enye the same issue and dey be Charles Bisu adan no dey just nkwadua mo ankotena fom. You see the hypocrite side of you people. Even your own party members you discriminate. Your own party people, you discriminate against them. What kind of human beings are you? Say ye edia o enyere. Eh bidia chobo kwasia chobo. Ana muti kroma na mobo. You think we have your time? Eh? Girl no obia ni krom hanoma. Ya dey asem to ne so say why as ano obentia. Ya money bill. Say asem meda case kura no depending on said the assembly here get me more be a bill offense be a bellable. It doesn't mean say chama want to be kwadafie ni ejano emra no de sache na che no enra empanyimfo ne maya ne mrantie ni abre ena de want to me anko ha de na eya mesire wa sa ankrofo ne ho ne say ade sanso no makofi akoda o me de da no pa ade sa no nsiama no obukofie na untumi aka ho. That should tell you said the law is the law. If you know what is good for you, what the mrabe yejuma and the appear could be kanya sasem bi kire mo say e fia wo pese wo kom no yantoto abo nko ho yantoto bo enko fie na wo pese wo wura mu no wo pese wo ne hwan remona chakwa kasa wo gina abonten enra sa akwa na waye ayi ni ti do Sammy dia ibi no koka wo gina ho threaten ayi remona cha sa wo ni ba bi otie nti wo beku no yenyine wo kroma me enra CID boss makacho say sa brantie no e wo se mra ye adwuma omo say ya ma mra nya adwuma ade na akoka ne ye no wa threaten Raymond Acha as say ya de ne nkwa hye ne sa ya te say Raymond Acha mo recruit ya akoka you are in trouble. I'm telling you das yet say that kopa ya sorry Remanacha say me yo who koka will come after you and I'm telling the CID boss arrest that guy that thing call him koka with someone arrest him and let him answer for some roses no ko gina ho ye no sesabo se mranya adwuma emra be ye adwuma when you go to court now say the judges na dey na asie after mo catch say court no yen ko ho Mama, Bibia go to court. Bibia go to court. Ne say the court to Dani Yatum. Ama yoko abwanten so ne bie. Say the Merano, e ya adwuma wo yoko anim ho. Court to Dani Yatum meboa. Mo demonstrate am ye hu say, mo de ye wu papa so man. Na mo we will deal with you squarely. Ya bema mrana ya juma pe sesi ya mutu opposition mo se mranya juma embra be ya juma. Don't worry, embra no ebe ya juma. Abara jo pe. Makacho say na be be phone lines in them now to a year special prosecutor. Me chawo OSP because enra me tie OSP no special prosecutor wan hye dan ka sem papa bi an kire yen Ghana fo. De ani apase etie no wan kan kire yen yo. Bra Ejuma no say broso. And me I'm one person who is against that establishment of SAP OSU office na nkasa na esi ho no. sa office na mu na esi hwanom na yes OSP office no nyansa bi ani mu mame faso bi ani so mame omo ya dai we are just wasting the state resources. We are just wasting money. And no one better certain and some potty ben apasi ya Ghana for your catcher then yenti. Do you kick kwasi yenti ne krakra? Ne krakra ne say COSP. Kwame I didn't see any sense of what in that he said yesterday. What is it? Mobia sound in Mobia TV. What's your
2025? Mr. Ofori-Atta's lawyers informed the special prosecutor has diagnosed Mr. Ofori-Atta with cancer and has earmarked 13 June 2025 for surgery, for which reason he would be unable to return to the jurisdiction as scheduled. His lawyer stated that to the knowledge of the OSP, this change in circumstances has been brought to the attention of the court, before which Mr. Ofori-Atta is presently pursuing a human rights claim against the OSP and the special prosecutor. His lawyer stated further that in order not to hold the office back in the performance of his function, they had Mr. Ofori-Atta's instructions of his readiness to go through video recorded interview for the purpose of eliciting his caution statement. His lawyers offered to meet the special prosecutor in person or approach the bench for the purpose of viewing Mr. Ofori-Atta's biopsy report, whichever suited the special prosecutor. Now, ladies and gentlemen of the media, this is where we are now. Now let us step back a bit from the 28th May 2025 letter from Mr. Ofori-Atta's lawyers and place the matters in their proper context. I have intentionally went through a tedious timeline. The letter from Mr. Ofori-Atta's lawyers, dated 18 February 2025, clearly indicated that the possible surgical intervention to be performed on him was to occur on 20 and 21 March 2025, upon which reckoning the OSP carefully considered the recovery period and indulgently pushed Mr. Ofori-Atta's attendance at the OSP to 2 June 2025. By a letter dated 28 May 2025, Mr. Ofori-Atta's lawyers informed the special prosecutor has diagnosed Mr. Ofori-Atta with cancer and has earmarked 13 June 2025 for surgery, for which reason he would be unable to return to the jurisdiction as scheduled. His lawyer stated that to the knowledge of the OSP, this change in circumstances has been brought to the attention of the court, before which Mr. Ofori-Atta is presently pursuing a human rights claim against the OSP and the special prosecutor. This is totally unacceptable and a baleful spite at law enforcement and criminal investigations. It ends here. It ends today. We will no longer accommodate him. Consequently, the OSP redeclares that Mr. Ofori-Atta is a wanted person and a fugitive from justice. His name is hereby re-entered on the OSP's list of wanted persons. The OSP will take all necessary legal steps to secure Mr. Ofori-Atta's return to the jurisdiction and to answer to the criminal inquiries against him. In pursuance of this, about
Ghana for winning Madia Bakwa and OSP, the press conference in Okaya, and Mammy who said a Chaskelena, Ken Ofori-Atta, any OSP now winning the lawyers or Modebo Ghana for. William says, all this one, no, we claim Ken Ofori-Atta Yareno. There's no medical reports. Yadiama or no OSP net Chesampa Ken Ofori-Atta Yario. It's a no natural letter. He is sick near the Abreno. No aje, no now. You see, Ghana Yadiniama Bidiagro. Share cases I Yadiaba Ken Ofori-Atta Yana me Nina me sure say a cases. But the most annoying part, the most annoying one, is a cathedral. If not for anything. If not for anything, on my being na emwanya safoti mi kotenase. Ni akasi ye besia sorry dan. Na sorry dan na ye ba besie no. Edanya esi wadada. Aya do man sika sie no. Yembuntungu. Nanya kafofro effort to a minor so. Now you see the whole concept of Sa Cathedral no does not make sense. Akufo Addo question the talk room baby say Erado Mami di president ya mesi asare dayama ene ya Ghana for yeni no twakabe me kwasha me ba bi na Erade me sraw ye CTV me nya me pese me ye adwuma wo ho me pese me ye adwuma class media Erade me se me ye adwuma class media na nya me ayadom boss keke de say ya abra me pese me fu adwuma keke de fa me adwuma na me ba ya na ma Smith na ma Robert na ma Ofani me share nya me boss me pese me ye adwuma o CMG enti boss na me share no me share boss me oya ma me ma no e bia 100 million mo fa camera enya nkwasiasem some ma bomb pa ya kire nyame no na nyame atie me no me ba no ma frafra adwuma ya fo mo CMG se mo maboa me na bose na me hye nyame no mi nkodi so enya kwasiasem o enya kwasem. You see there are certain things I am pese abeka no krai charges I dey abo Ken Ofori-Atta ni me se bia no hu hia me de hia me wom na maka no sa national cathedral concept no dam. Na judges se danya yado aman sikasie na kwabrani awe nyame anim se yam budan no ntungu adanya any 3 years ya waste wa man sika me tax ka ho, and that's the reason why it's so painful. Ya me kabia na me sasa me dia bufuo na eka ya de me tax akwasi dayama judge ni se judge ni nkwatira mu no akwa we ne na do no ba ya ane ne Bawumia no wa matumi awe nyame anim se sa dan no yambuntungu adan ya Akufo Addo ahye nyame bonti no ya pebia si asodan dabio wini ba kwan na asase na dan asase yantam no ba cho yesi asodan we nye yemu mebwa yesi asodan wo chabia eye ya na se nye ye. Yes, yeah, so that Oko Saglema area was Shakwano Social Hills. The whole bagaya, me pacha on you see that ye yembwa. The reason why I'm particular with this case, and I say, and near Moya was our cathedral site, Hono, just a Yakumaja. Yabu put down na chuagu, and then you see a quendi one ya boo. Because Akufo Addo abaya president was a Nyame Bontino. I mean, just Adam. Any now yaka $1 million crowd win him the door. $1 million win him the door. Na yaka $58 million. Ya then ya the two foundation. Ni atimi atina krom ha na panyin toto awo mo so amuni nyansa wo kwaka yesi wo didi panyimfo atem na de omo ye nkura be sa de we ni ase yakra ebo and your free Israel near Yabato ha now just say oh God of mercy. And all as we is telling us to say all this one only medical report confirm say Ken Ofori-Atta say wa yare ampa letters and your tron ye man that office is useless and it has to be scrapped. More promise Kisia Jabene ne office in mo pam mo here Attorney General sa case we Gyamfi kan akwanesem Kisia Jabene Gyamfi ni sem I was say you akoni NIB from Obama mutisim na Kisia office no kwa mesem ntum nyansa bi anim Afenyo no ada ne konongo kaya me a me so a me ntwe me hu mo bi mbesoa e no tare ade ne ho. All these years, and you are Ken Ofori-Atta do my Ghana nipa be 32 million or the Agini Diakro. Who is he? Or the Yenya Agini Diakro? Who the $58 million out to Amena? Hey, and you see, that is no more bono. Say about him, and they say obey surgery on June 13th. Yatiano Mabakacha said, surgery no ye and on recover ye, or recover September, or September never soon. Near catcher, so Yasa diagnosing me before for Yanibaba was enough for years as well. Attorney General, Massa Mamma and you, of course, I lie. And you, of course, I lie, and Ken Ofori-Atta and you're free no, you pay a sicker. Me, don't move you for Tumno, me and you hear me. Amode kwa fa betum no me enya no na fa me ho dia fa me ho ne sika no the money involved ye sika nipa no de sika bra ya mo pa munya no na me emfa me ho se wo tumi kodam a me den na menya frim ni asade me tax ata aduane akoma no prison ho e nonsense kura ma offer ye sika ba ye asase na wa se no onko reclaim simple ha sky today no ya samudu obi ba tum me eno emfa me ho $2 million na say dey akwa feasibility study you say na today na from cry ye hu ano na today na wiem ye nya $2 million asem bia ne ba bia me kwa me tietie mu kra no sa $2 million no kwa me say Ken Ofori-Atta ho cha so no de sika bia ba kwa yi bia kra no finance minister kwase sika bia obi abedi wo kwa ma bia o na esan ye chani na we $1 million kwa uni ma de betimi ayo kroma ya na Ghana ha ya bra ya ko IMF ya de conditions ato ya so sam ya fa ni pa adwuma nyina den ye hwe $3 billion so adoni sikai ama ya ko sha IMF ne IMF de conditions ato ya so yentimi fa ni pa adwuma. Then you come and tell us say all this one nyina Ken Ofori-Atta amba medical report. So what were you who OSP na mu kisi Gyamfi na wusi ho no Ediana na ye wunyina so ntia na all this one na oto wo twen Ken Ofori-Atta na wunim so abeba na eti wo obi ne wu wadwene di agro wunim so ade wadwene di agro wunim. That office is useless. Na na do dan Akufo Addo share that create sa ade no to deceive us. Dia me manjina na dwendi e was our OSP office no ho aye announce principles na ene adane evo e dia mo ankasa no na do gina simpie so catch the young Ghana for say or the announce principle and the betu corruption say e wi akire ya say announce principle ya command di foforo court ya command di kama ajaje for no mo ho no ema announce principle no e di foforo kura acha so ambe so mo chese ade na say ye na Akufo Addo di ya campaign ema ye Ghana for to ye tirim no afede na do se sa principle no won pe na won pe upe OSP enti ayade bia yen creative fund DCV Ghana for say aya ne se ekokota hyehye ne de ada na all this one sisi a senya se Ghana for ko bisa ya yokofo akofa sisi da package ne baka bisa OSP say sisi da package no sorosoro ho na osososo ho na wa ayete se akokwa wodi abrama akokwa wa soso ho no na nka be kwa kwesi ada na yedi ye ho wu se oman ko baby ko hwe chi compound kromu ni bi na mo amko boss ankwase achenku no wo yoko ho no ko baby a ye de contract mba wontumi so ankoye kwan no senka wote hobi ana wonnim kro no hawo mo famu a wonko gina ho meka se na me wo boys wo boko go there and ask kokro bi so ensu ombe no prayer problem na kwabrani atena ha say me the $58 million me the 2 amena na OSP wo to wo be ka stories a kire yen etine kura na say wunim so the interpol be kwa kofa Ken Ofori-Atta obeboy amane e fa nya den dia ye hwehwe ne se Ken Ofori-Atta okrom ha onfa ye sika ma yen me Ken Ofori-Atta mo jeli no kwa me anya no na ye me interest o me fa ho mo jeli na be ha me because ahwe ye sika bekam ye timi feeding wo prison onfa ye sika ma ye ye ni asem bia $2 million no mo nje ma yen Mustafa Amidi dia na aba no am pasa sika no wa embezla munye sika maye those characters involved no I'm not interested in them going to jail. I'm interested in say ya beji sika ne ya akwaye o man ni ye e simple fa front line Net2 TV no so ye ni adaje mo bia wo krom ha ye ji sika President Mahama the main reason why we voted for you is sadie no ye pay sika would ye sika man no anya ye kra ye no ya na say dia waye ye wonya ye dem biem dia waye ye wonya ye dem biem enefu opa da 11 city kwasa oye kwawe aya de almighty god kra ba 252 eti John Mahama dia waye ye pa wonya ye dem biem hwe dia waye cedi ne dollar pounds ni euro dem biem na ye hwehwa firi ho dia ye hwehwa firi ho ane say ye sika nkrofo awia no je ya de mba ye asama sa.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. click on the bell to turn on the notification.